and welcome back to another 10-minute tips and tricks webinar from the Curriculum Center for Family and Consumer Sciences. Today we're exploring a simple but powerful tool, the Brisk Teaching Chrome extension, that can help you easily adjust content to meet different reading levels. Whether you're differentiating instruction, supporting English language learners, or just trying to make content more accessible, Brisk can help you save time while better meeting your students' needs. So why use Brisk Teaching? We all know that even within the same classroom, there's a wide range of reading abilities. Some students need more scaffolding, others may be ready for more advanced text. Brisk helps you adapt content quickly. No need to rewrite materials from scratch. It can work on web pages, Google Docs, and other online documents. In just a few clicks, you can adjust reading levels, translate content, and even add comprehension tools, all while saving valuable prep time. Step 1. Install the extension. First, let's get the extension added to your browser. If you'll head on over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Brisk Teaching, click Add to Chrome and follow the prompts to install the extension. Once it's installed, you'll notice the Brisk icon on the bottom corner of your web pages and online documents. That's where the magic begins. And if for some reason you do not see the Brisk logo on the bottom of your screen, you can actually go to the top right-hand side of your browser and there will be a puzzle piece up there that you click on, and that will show you your extensions that you have. And then you can click on the Brisk extension from there. Step 2, you're going to find your content that you want to modify. So open the content you want to adapt. You'll see on the screen that I actually looked up research articles about teen nutrition and physical activity. So it could be a web page article like the one that you see. It could be an online assignment or even a Google Doc. Next, you're going to click on the Brisk icon on the bottom right side of your screen, and you'll see options to begin modifying your content. So if you're just getting started, I recommend choosing the change level feature to adjust the reading level, and that is what we're going to focus on today. Step 3, we're going to choose a reading level or action. So if you'll notice with the article that I chose, Brisk will actually assess the current reading level of the text, and then it will give you options to adjust it. So you can change the grade level to meet your students' needs. Say you want something that will fit for a middle school classroom. This article was actually assessed as a 12th grade reading level, and so we're going to change it to a 9th grade reading level. You can even switch the language if you have students who would benefit from translated content, and you'll see that there's a scroll bar for the language options because there are several different options that Brisk Teaching offers within its extension. So Brisk will do this automatically as long as you pick your grade level and your language. You simply pick the settings that work best for your class. Now let's take a minute to actually watch what we were talking about in our steps in action. So you'll see that we have our article pulled up. It's a study on teens and nutrition, physical activity guidelines. The Brisk icon did not show up on the bottom of the screen, so you'll notice that I went to that puzzle piece at the top and then chose it. Now it's showing up, and we're going to change our level. And like I said before, it assessed it as a 12th grade reading level, so we're going to change that to a 9th grade reading level and then in English. And as soon as you change the level, it's going to start automatically generating a Google Doc for you. And so it's going to have the name of the article, it's going to have a link to the original article with the 12th grade reading level, but you'll see that it just starts automatically generating that lower level reading content. So your students are still getting access to valuable resources, but they're able to get it at their level. Or again, if you have a student that maybe needs a higher reading level, if they need to be challenged, this is a really easy way to meet the needs of all students in your classroom. So you can see it quickly analyzed our text, it adjusted to the selected reading level, and then even provided alternative options. So it's very fast, accurate, and it saves you from having to rewrite materials yourself. So you'll notice that that box popped up after it generated as well, and that will give you even more options that we'll talk about on the next screen. Step 5, we're going to make our needed edits and explore other tools. So this is the screen that you saw at the end of the demonstration. Whenever it finished generating that 9th grade reading level article, this box popped up. And so this will give you some other options. So it didn't just stop with rewriting the text. There are also these add-on features to supplement the resource. So for example, you could generate comprehension questions, you could add vocabulary supports, or even copy it directly into your learning management system. You can even have Brisk rewrite the text entirely using a different tone or complexity settings. You can have it shorten it, you can have it lengthen it, and then other features, you can have it do a quiz for you. There's just a lot of flexibility to tailor the material for your students. Now that we've seen Brisk in action, let's wrap up with a quick recap. So with Brisk teaching, really there are a lot of different options. We just highlighted one of those options today. So you saw that with this Chrome extension, you can adjust reading levels instantly. You can support all of your learners regardless of their ability or language proficiency. And you can save that valuable prep time that we used to use to have to make those different reading levels for each student that needed those accommodations. Now we have this tool for us that can do it for us and do it accurately. And you can bring that differentiated instruction into your classroom, like I said, with ease. You saw that it generated it with just a few seconds, and that was something that used to take a long time in the past. So we can really reach all of those different levels of our students with tools like Brisk Teaching. Overall, I encourage you to try Brisk in your next lesson. You'll be surprised how much time it saves and how much it can improve accessibility for your students. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next 10-minute Tips and Tricks webinar.